Hardware is not what make your computer to run slowly, lagging or misbehaving. Most of the time it is the software. So in this video, I'll give you 5 things you need to do to be sure that your computer is in a good shape, and at some point if you need to restore, they'll be able to restore your computer to the perfect point where your computer is working very fine. If you want to learn that and you want to put your computer in a safe mode, then watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is what we call recovery safety point or recovery safety net. This helps you guys to restore your computer to the time it will work very well. To do this, go to the menu button here, click on it, then the search bar, type in create restore point. Now click on this button. It comes out like this. Then here click on create, then name it, let me say restore 2026. Now click on create. Just wait for this to create your restore point. It won't take longer than expected. You can see that the restore point was created successfully. Now click on this button. Now click on this restore button, system restore button, then click on next. Now you can see that our restore point is here. We manually created this one, so you see window update. So if anything happened to this, just click on this button, then click on next. For the on-screen process, you'll be able to restore your computer to when it was perfectly functioning very well. This is one of the first things you have to do this year or as at when you are watching this video, so that your computer will run perfectly okay. The number 2 thing you have to do is what I call Ghost App Remover. These are the apps that you have installed years back on your device and they are there doing nothing. So you need to remove them so that it brings some space to your device and your device will run perfectly. Doing this is very simple. Click on the menu button again, then click on settings. Click on the apps you see here, then click on install app. Once you click on install app, come to this place, select date installed. Now scroll down to the base of this page, keep scrolling. Now take your time and look at all these apps. Any of these apps that you are not using, that's of no use on your device, just do yourself a big favor, remove them completely so that it gives your device more space and your device will perform very well. A lot of Windows 10 and Windows 11 users ignore these settings, and that is one of the reasons their device runs slowly time to time. Take your time and fix this up. Then the number 3 thing that I want to talk here is what is called the SSD health check. If you use the latest computer, you are not battling with normal hard disk, but today we are using SSD check, and sometimes you need to check the health of your SSD to see how it goes. Then if need be, you need to optimize it. Do this is very simple. Go to the menu button again and click on it, then go ahead and search for defragment. Now click this button, defragment and optimize drive. Once you click on it, you have something like this. Now take a look at the last day you optimize this. You can see on my C drive, solid state drive, you see that it was 2 days ago. If yours is more than that, just click on the C drive, then click on optimize. Just wait for this to be optimized, and with a very few seconds, guys, it is done and everything will be okay. And this will give your device to run smoothly because no more hard work that your device is doing. And this is one of the reasons a lot of laptop running on Windows 10 and 11 misbehaving. But if you can put on this simple task time to time, your computer will keep working very fine. The number 4 thing you have to turn on or you have to do right away is what is called the silent startup audit. Most of the time when you install any app or software on your device, there is an option to start when the computer is power on, and a lot of users ignore this because they believe it's fine. But guys, it prevents your computer from starting up perfectly, booting on time. At the same time, it slow down your computer. Now here's what you need to do. You need to access the taskbar menu. Right click on this menu button, then select task manager, or you can come to any place here, right click on this panel, then select Task Manager. Once you click on Task Manager, come to this side where you see Start Up Apps. Here, this speedometer icon of a thing, click on it. Once you click on it, then it come over to this place. Look at Startup Impact, high, of known, medium. So take your time and look at this. Now, if anyone here is enabled, you can see that most of my own is disabled. Just right click and disable it. Make sure you right click and disable it. Then the only one I will encourage you to allow to run is security and your speaker. If your security is disabled, make sure you enable it, and the speaker, make sure you enable. So this startup cleanup help your device to run smoothly as well. Give your device a perfect startup which make it look new each time you want to use your device. The last but not the least is what I call deep storage cleanse. A lot of people just go to their device and delete something. Everything you've deleted is fully stored or saved on your control, or is fully saved on your recycle bin. So even if you delete so many things on your device, it's still on your recycle bin. But there's a particular thing you need to do, guys, to deeply clean all these settings and make your computer run very fast by reducing much of load on the hard drive or SSD card. This is very simple. Go to the settings button again and tap on it. Tap on this menu icon, then click on settings. Once you click on settings, then click on system. From system, scroll down till you get to storage. Click on storage. Once you click on storage, then I'll take a look at what you have here. You have the installed app that's taking about 125 gig. You have temporary file. You have so many options here that you need to take a look at. Now scroll down until you see this button that says clean recommendation. Click this arrow. When you click on this arrow, it brings to this interface. Now here is what you need to do. Click on large or unused file. If you have any large file here, delete it. Then click file syncs to the cloud. If you have anyone here, delete it. Then file unused. If you have any file here that's unused, then delete it. Now come back to this place. You have recycle bin. My recycle bin is around 6.2 gig and my download is what? 3.9 megabytes. So I want to clean my recycle bin. Click on this button, then click on this clean up, then click on continue. This will take away every damn thing on my recycle bin, thereby making my computer to be fresh, clean, and work perfectly again. So if you have been able to follow to this end and you put everything I have explained into consideration and you do them on your device, I am very sure that your computer will run very fast. And not only that, guys, you're going to enjoy more of it. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, that is what you can do to motivate me. Please hit the subscribe button now, like, and drop in the comment that yes, I have been able to clean up my computer. So I'll see you guys on my next video.